toward a short moral story. Emma was known for her honesty, but one day, she broke a vase while playing indoors. Fearing punishment, she blamed the cat. Her mother believed her, but Emma felt uneasy. That night, she dreamed of the vase mending itself and whispering, "Truth heals all." The next morning, Emma confessed. To her surprise, her mother smiled and said, "Thank you for telling the truth." Mistakes happen, but honesty builds trust. From then on, Emma realized lying only deepened problems, while truth brought peace. Moral: always tell the truth. It fosters trust and lightens your heart. Thank you for watching.